Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. If you are hopping in, that means, if you're watching this, that means you're watching a replay. If you're hopping in, say hi. I'm just getting ready with my things. Let me just adjust the light a bit. Yeah, that's better. I know, these days it's either too sunny in the morning or it's a cloudy day. Yesterday it was so cloudy. I think it was raining the whole day here in Charlotte. So let me clean my lips by the time you guys hop on, and then I will show you what I have for today, and then I will pick the color. If you're hopping in, say hi. Okay, let me explain what I have for my eyes. Um, for my eyes, I did follow a Sana sister. Her name is Phoebe Janet. She's an amazing makeup artist from Australia. I always mention that I have hooded eyes. She has such a small eyes, if you see, but the way she makes these eye looks pop, that shows how talented she is. So this is the look she did. So I picked it because this look was like a, what is it, like more of a peacock oriented, so I thought why not do it. So it's just a natural tan, and I didn't add any color. I think she added few more colors, but I didn't want to because my outfit had blues and silvers, where her look had like more of a brown tone. So she added like a brown colors, but I didn't want to go with that. So I just used plasma pink shimmer, and I have done it as a eyeliner, and also I have done it as a wing. So that's the only color I have used for today's look. I know with this light you may not be able to see, but I think once I post the pictures you will be able to see it clearly. So plasma pink is such a vibrant shade, but you can make it light, or even you can use it as a lip color too. This will go amazingly well. If you are a purple lover, then this color will go very well as a lip color, and you can use it as a blush too. So for today's blush, I have used Desert Rose. That's like a very creamy blush. So that's the one I have used. And for the lip look, I have two colors in mind. One is Summer Treat, which will be like a watermelon pink. It will be little different from this pink because this is more of a purpley shade, I would say. So that will be one, and the other one is two of my favorite purples. One is Purple Rain, and the other one is Peacock Pearl. You can see one is little like a different shade of purple. One is very close, but I need a little bit of shimmer to it. So the way you can do is you can either mix these two in a tattoo ring and pre-mix these shades and use it by adding just more of Purple Rain and just a tiny bit of Peacock Pearl, or you can layer them too. So that way you get best of both worlds. You get the color from here, and you get the glitter from Peacock Pearl, because Peacock Pearl has almost purple glitters, and I think it had turquoise glitters too. So you will get that too. So let's pre-mix. I don't remember doing a pre-mix in live for a long time. I think I mostly stick with layering on Friday mornings. So let's maybe do it to show you how it works. I'm just taking Purple Rain first in my tattoo ring. If you're buying more than one shade, I always make sure to send these tattoo rings. What you can do is, since Lip Sense is a liquid lip color, you can use this to mix the colors, like how you mix like a watercolor or a canvas paint to make your own new shade, like a custom color. So the same way you can mix what is it, like a Lipson's shades. There is endless combination. You can use a lot of Purple Rain with little bit of Peacock Pearl. You can use lot of Peacock Pearl with a little bit of Purple Rain, or you can do how many ever colors you need. Like since it's going to be like a watercolor, you can mix even n number of shades into this and make your own shade, and that way you have the custom color that's just made for you for the outfit. And since it's a disposable ring, you will just throw it. So if you see, I have taken lot of Peacock Pearl with, a lot of Purple Rain with just a tiny bit of Peacock Pearl, because I wanted a little bit of glitter, but at the same time I don't needed that kind of a purple, because Purple Rain was little more closer to it. So here I mixed the shades, and this makes your custom shade, and even you can use it just for one layer too. It doesn't have to be for all 3 layers. You can even use Purple Rain as your first layer and use these 2 as your second and third layer. So it is like up to your imagination on what way you want to use it. And so let's go ahead and use this new color what I mixed as my first layer. So this is my first layer, and let me show it next to the colors too. That way you can see the difference. You can see it's little bit different from Peacock Pearl. At the same time, it's not as bold as the Purple Rain. So that's the magic of it. So you can tone any shades down or up. For example, even if you have 2 different shades, like you have Bella and Fly Girl, then you can mix it and make a completely different shade. Like, one is a brown and one is a red, and you will get something else in the middle. So let's go ahead and do my second layer. And the more you use Lipson's, you can see how hydrated and healthier your lips will be. Because the glossy gloss or any gloss we use is going to keep your lips moisturized and not dry at all. And who else is dressing up on this weekend? Because I know many of you got the new colors, so I will be expecting your pictures this week. I'm really excited for you to try the new shades. So now that I did 2 layers, as I mentioned, if I feel like if I need to brighten the shade more, I can just go ahead and do the Purple Rain itself as my 3rd layer. So there is no hard and fast rules when it comes to Lipson's. You can use how much ever you want. So I'm going to finish my 3rd layer now. This week, all the packages have reached very fast. I think I dropped them on Tuesday morning, but yesterday most of you got it. I think except 1 package is in transit, but everything else has already reached. So you can see, since I've been doing for quite a while, I know how much I need. You can see still I have a little bit of left if I need to touch up or do anywhere. But other than that, mine is almost empty. So make sure you do take like start with a less quantity, that way you don't waste it, because otherwise you cannot store it too, since it's going to dry out. And you can reuse these Lipson's tubes. Actually, once it dries out, you will be able to actually peel it off or wipe it with a cloth. So you can reuse these tattoo rings, or you can buy them from Amazon. I always send you guys these every time when you buy your second shade. So that is that way you can try it. You can ask me anytime if you need extras. As I mentioned, I itself try to add them, because that is easy. That way you get to use it and utilize the benefit of buying Lipsons, because that's the unique thing again with Lipsons, that pre-mixing and layering of more than 2 shades. So even if you have just 2 shades, you can make 8 different 8 different layering combinations, and if you have 3 Lipsons colors, you can make 27 colors out of it. So that's just with layering, and if you pre-mix, you have endless combinations. So for today's, I think I'm going to go ahead with glossy first. I think I have showed layering many times, but I didn't remember when I did what's say like a pre-mixing in live. It's been long, I guess. So now that I sealed the gloss, let me show you another way to make it matte. I mean, if you're someone who doesn't like a glossy look, obviously glossy itself will get absorbed in few minutes. But if you need it to be immediate, for example, if you take a picture or something, just wipe the glass off, and it's already. Hey Nidhi, I was about to ping you anyway. Thank you so much. I finally wore it today. So this one I bought it from Nidhi's shop. So anyway, I'll be tagging you, Nidhi, too. Thank you so much for the piece. I really loved it, and I wore the matching earring you got me too. So that's the one for today. And I also wore some pearl bangles and silver bangles from Shakti's Hi-Fi, because I don't have many of the silver sarees, I believe. So I got overexcited when I was deciding this one, because the saree also had a peacock, and I think I'm a peacock overload today. So so it is like I mean, the necklace had peacock, I think the earring had peacock. The lipstick shade, I pre-mixed 2 shades, Nidhi. I pre-mixed Purple Rain. Purple Rain was one of the discontinued shades. I just have last 2 left. So Purple Rain and another one is Peacock Pearl. As I said, I was overloaded with peacock today. So I had even the jewelry and everything with peacock. The saree has peacock, and my Lipson shade is also in closer to peacock. So that's the one I did for today. And I just did eyeliner using a shade called Plasma Pink Shimmer. That's the one I have used as my winged eyeliner for today. So that's today is a very simple look, I would say. I didn't do much with the eye look, because I wanted it to be a little different from my normal days. So I used this one. I spoke about the inspiration too. So once I seal it with glossy, the color becomes smudge resistant, so it's not going to come off. So as I said, if you don't like the glossy look, as you can see, it's absorbed and it gives you a matte look. So there are two ways you can do it. You can use either of the matte glosses. We have 5 pigmented matte glosses and 1 clear matte gloss. Instead of glossy gloss, you can pick one of that if you are a person who likes matte look, or if you want to, as I mentioned, you can just have the glossy and wipe it off after some time. That way you still get a matte look, but at the same time yours is hydrated. So it's always your preference, because see, for example, even on top of this I can go with a diamond gloss. This has diamond particles in it, so if you are doing a evening look, you can do something like that. So the same color will give a different effect when you do with a different gloss. So it's like a, what is it, like a fun playful thing you can do. We do carry like tons of glosses, like different pigments, like I think I have worn most of the time with Sweet Pea. So it is like a more of a purpley pinkish purple gloss that has a little bit of glitter to it. You can do Madeline, which is the new gloss, I mean, which is recently added to the permanent line. You can do that kind of a gloss, or you can do I think this is Madeline. So you can see Sweet Pea and Madeline will be really close, so you can pick based on how you like it. So Madeline will be like a matte without glitter one. It's not matte, it's a gloss without glitter. So whereas Sweet Pea is a color with this one. Yeah, Nidhi, and I don't know whether you saw it or not. It's on sale for yesterday and today alone. Like, I mean, all the eyeliners, liquids and pencils, everything is on sale for 15% off. And also you can pretty much use any of the eyeshadows as eyeliners. So that's the other one, and these are smudge resistant, so once you do, it's not going to come out. So it's like Lipsons, they will also stay all day until you remove it, so they are not going to come out at all. So that's the one I used. So you have the, what is it, like freedom to choose whether you want liquid or a pencil, or you can pick eyeshadow. That way you have dual benefits too, like you can wear it as a entire eyelid as an eyeshadow and use it as an eyeliner anytime you need it. And with the Shadow Sense, hi Sunita, thank you so much Sunita. I was explaining the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, I will message you, Nidhi. I will make sure to message you today. And yeah, Sunita, I was telling, like, I mixed 2 shades for today's look, because I think I layered it, or I picked 1 shade, but I never did what is it, like 2 colors. And this necklace is from Nidhi, actually. Nidhi is on the live too. So her she lives in Charlotte too, and this is from her shop. And I'll be anyway tagging you all the details of the Lipsons and the face, everything. So have a wonderful day. Thank you so much whoever hopped on. And if you guys get ready, please do share the pictures. I would love to. The purpose of keeping the group closed is to make you guys share, because as women, if we cheer for each other, that's all we need to uplift each other. I can even go live in my public page, but I wanted the group to be safe. That's why I keep it only for women, and only for that way you can feel free to share your pictures anytime and stay safe. Have a wonderful Friday. See you.